Hey YouTube, LJ Gamble here with a video for you guys. I just got my transmission in from Monster Transmission. I was just going to do a quick unboxing of it. I just took all the screws outside so the top's ready to come off. This is a 204R rather, SS Master Conversion package, rated for up to 475 horsepower. I ordered this about 6 weeks ago. Got a good deal on Cyber Monday, so I got a good amount off the transmission, plus a couple free things. So let's get to it. Take the top off here. Obviously, this transmission is going to go in this Camaro here. I'm going to do a lot of things at the same time. I'm going to hop up the engine just a little bit, so it'll be a little faster, and this transmission will work perfect for it. Right now it's got a 3-speed turbo 350 in it. It leaks a lot. It still works just fine. It doesn't have any problem shifting, but I would really like to have a 4-speed with overdrive. Originally this car had a 2-speed power glide. That's long gone, so not too worried about keeping it completely stock. But yeah, so let's see what we got here. Let's find this off. This looks like the external lockup kit. Here, mount, cross member mount. It looks like some brackets, probably for the shifter cable, some fittings and bolts for sensors, and I assume the transmission mount, and the external lockup wiring kit. So there's that. Let's see what else we got here. It's rather cold in my garage, so I have gloves and jacket on. This is the TV cable. Yep, and I think there's a linkage part in there and directions. Let's see. Looks like some stickers and my order information, and a 5% rebate to create a video testimony. I'll probably do that for sure. Let's see, this is all packed really well. I'm really impressed with how this is all packed. Things are actually on wood and screwed together, so nothing gets broken. As you can see, I got the transmission painted black as well, so look forward to that. I actually got that free too. They gave me a deal. I ordered this on Cyber Monday. They had two sales. One was on Cyber Monday and one was on Black Friday. I thought I would save a little more on Cyber Monday, which it probably would have been about the same either day, but I think it worked out better. For one, the guy I talked to on the phone was very helpful. They called me a day later or something to confirm all my order and everything, and he hooked me up with free paint on the transmission as well, on top of the discounts I already had, which basically got me free transmission fluid and like $200 off the whole price. So I got a really good deal on everything. Got this all taped up really nice. Let's see. Not sure what's in this box. Oh, this is the transmission cooler, the external transmission cooler it came with. I think I'm going to use this in conjunction with the cooler that's in the radiator that I'm going to buy. This looks pretty nice. The picture on the website showed one with 4 coils in it, so I figured it'd be a little bigger, but that's good. This will work. So there's that. There's the little zip tie things to tie it to the radiator. Let's see. I really like how well this is all tied down. Doesn't appear anything was damaged in shipping. This box is a little beat up, but it's just cardboard. So let's see here. I guess it just opens on the side. It's kind of weird, but here I've got, I believe, 12 quarts of Burning Rubber Brewing Company transmission fluid. So you see that there? This stuff sounds like it's really good stuff. And it was basically free with all the discounts, so can't really complain about that. What else? I believe this is the torque converter. I ordered it with a torque converter that had a stall speed of 2300 to 2500. It should pair up with the camshaft I have picked out that I'm gonna swap into this, so it'll really jump off the line pretty good. Oh god, these things are heavy. Yeah, that's it there. That should do nicely with this transmission. Let's see here. There's a couple other things packed into the side. It looks like, oh, this is actually screwed down. That's nice. Let me unscrew it here. This looks to be the dipstick, the transmission fluid dipstick, which I thought was going to be one of those kind of generic universal flexi type, but it looks like it's a solid one-piece construction deal, which is good. That's what I prefer. So yeah, there's that dipstick too. There's some hardware with it as well. Probably just mounts and things. A couple bolts. There's a diagram where it goes, an orientation for various transmissions on there. So it's partially universal. Down here, I've got, it looks like the plastic cover to cover the bottom of the torque converter, between the torque converter and the ground. It's nice all this stuff's screwed down. So, pretty generic. Be nice if I could get a metal one. I might look into getting a metal one, but it doesn't really matter. It's nice it comes with it. So there's that. What's this here? This is my shipping receipt, where I had it shipped to. I picked it up in Colorado Springs at an Estes shipping place, because it was I got free shipping if you ship it to an Estes facility, which is not too far from where I live, considering the regular shipping is like $100 or $150, something like that. So it was a really good alternative. But yeah, that's probably as far as I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna leave it in this crate because I'm not putting it in this car for several more months, because I kind of want to do a lot of stuff at the same time. I want to redo pretty much the entire underside of this car, strip it all out, rebuild everything, brake lines, fuel lines. I want to rebuild the rear end. Granted, there doesn't seem to be much wrong with anything, but I'm wanting to do a full frame-up restoration basically in the long run for this guy. So I'm probably going to pull the whole engine, transmission out. I'm probably going to pull the entire front end off of this car, including the subframe, because I'm going to do a ton of stuff to it. I want to detail the engine bay and everything, make it look nice and hurdy. But yeah, I guess I can spin this around. See in there. I really like the paint job they got on this. It looks like a really nice paint job. Because I was just gonna not even get it painted and just paint it myself, black of course. Because I'm also gonna paint the engine block black. I never liked Chevy orange, and this car is going to go back to the original color, which is black as well. So I think it'll look all real nice. I want to kind of do a white and black theme in the engine bay. And I know you don't see the transmission, but just so it doesn't rust and it's easier to clean stuff off it, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This should be a pretty easy swap. I should only have to buy the transmission cross member and shouldn't have to modify the drive shaft. So yeah, this is the 200 4R SS master conversion package, rated for 475 horsepower with a 2300 to 2500 stall speed torque converter from Monster Transmission. Thanks for watching and subscribe.